Hi folks, Excel Carols is back with two of the exciting features of MS Excel which will help you save a lot of time and energy. Let's start with the concatenate function, which is used to join two or more strings into one string. So as you see, we have a set of first name and last name, and we want to have the full names, which is a combination of the first name followed by the last name. To do that, we will use the concatenate formula by putting an equal sign which indicates that this cell has a formula. Start typing concatenate. See, it appears in the suggestion. Select concatenate using the tab key. Select the first cell, put a comma, select the second cell, close bracket, press enter, and you see we have the first name and the last name together. But there is a problem. That is, there is no space between the first name and the last name. To fix this, we will add a space in the formula. Put an open inverted comma here, put space, put closed inverted comma, put another comma. Make sure that there is no space between the comma and the inverted comma. Now press enter, and you see there is a space between the first name and the last name. Drag it down to the bottom, and we have all the full names exactly the way we want. Next, let's learn flash fill, which is another wonderful feature of MS Excel. Here we have the full names available, and we want to find out these details. There are several methods of applying flash fill. Let's talk about these one by one. So we will be adding the first names here. Type the first name, drag it down to the bottom, click on the drop down arrow of autofill option and select flash fill, and you see we have all the first names here. Now let's learn another method. We'll be adding the second names here, second name or the last name. So type stalwart, drag it down to the bottom. No, don't drag it down, I'm so sorry. Select the region and press Ctrl plus E, and you see we have the last names available. Now let's try and find out the initials using flash fill. So for Joshua Stalwart, the initials will be JS. For Andrew Lochin, the initials should be AL. Let's type A, and you see flash fill has recognized a pattern and it's suggesting if this is something that we want. Yes, of course, this is exactly what we want. Just press enter and you have all the initials available. Now consider a situation wherein the email ID for these individuals is firstname.lastname@lmn.com, where lmn.com is the domain name. So let's type joshua.stalwart@lmn.com. Now you don't need to drag or do anything. Simply go to fill, click on the drop down arrow, select flash fill, and you see you have all the email IDs. You can also use flash fill as an alternative of concatenate. Simply write the full name here, and flash fill recognizes a pattern, that is, this is a combination of B2 and C2. Now again, drag it down to the bottom, click on drop down arrow, select flash fill, and you see you have all the first names and last names together. There is a point which we should note, that is, flash fill is not dynamic. That is, if you change something here, flash fill will not automatically update it. You'll have to go and update it manually. And also there is something which you can say is a drawback of flash fill, that is, it does not recognize any pattern if the source is not available in the same row. As in, if we try to get the first names here using flash fill, let's drag it down, select flash fill from the autofill options, and we do not see the first names updated here. So that will be all for now. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please like and share if you find this video to be useful. You can put up your feedback in the comment section below. and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon in order to get all the notifications. Thanks again.